Manual trading versus AI bot trading for cryptos. Which is better? A trader who trades manually can use tools to help him analyze the crypto's price behavior. These tools show him where a crypto's price can potentially go in the next minute or hour. He simply has to determine whether a crypto's price is likely going up or down for him to time his entry and then his exit to take profit. Now, these tools are called technical indicators. They include candlestick patterns like the doji or the hammer to look for repeating price movement behaviors, moving averages like the SMA or the EMA to identify overall trend direction and potential trend reversals, momentum indicators like the RSI and the MACD to gauge the strength or weakness of a price trend, Bollinger Bands to detect overbought or oversold conditions and potential breakout zones, and hundreds more that can take you weeks or months to learn up. But here's the big problem with trading using technical analysis. No tool or indicator can predict whether a crypto's price will go up or down with perfect accuracy, even if you use all of them together. In fact, two expert crypto traders may analyze the same chart of the same crypto at exactly the same time, and one might say that the price is about to shoot up, and the other might bet that it's about to drop. You see, predicting whether a crypto's price will go up or down is simply a 50-50 chance. You're using those tools to try to increase the odds in your favor. But when you try to predict a crypto's price movement, you will get it wrong eventually. That's a certainty. Not only that, you will sometimes get it wrong several times in a row. If you're a manual trader using technical analysis, you know this is true. Now, AI trading bots are better than humans at using these technical indicators. They're faster, they never get tired. They can scan hundreds of price charts in seconds to try and spot patterns. They don't panic, they don't get greedy, they don't hesitate. But even with all that power, they still suffer from the same weakness as human traders. They're both trying to predict the market. The AI bot just makes predictions quicker and more efficient than a human, but an AI bot can still be wrong more times than you like. And if you're using an AI bot using predictions to automatically trade the cryptos for you, you once again know that this is true. Therefore, systems that rely on predictions, whether done manually or with AI bots, come with high stress, inconsistent results, and are more trouble than they're worth. Just one bad prediction can wipe out weeks of gains. So what's the solution? Well, since predicting a crypto's price movement is the problem, how about using a system that gets rid of predictions entirely? Think about it. When you have a system that doesn't predict whether a crypto's price will go up or down to get a profit on your investment, you could make money whether the market goes up or down. You would be removing the biggest risk of all, the need to guess. And that's exactly what my 9 one-of-the-world crypto bot strategy does. Yes, it uses the bot, but only to automate your trades for you. It doesn't try to predict whether a crypto's price will go up or down. Because it doesn't predict, it doesn't need indicator tools or deep price action analysis. It doesn't care what the news about crypto is, whether they're good or bad. It simply profits from a crypto's up and down price movements, not where it's going. Here's a screenshot of one of my clients earning profits of between 1.42% to 4.17% per day on his capital using the 9th one-of-the-world crypto bot strategy. Want to know how the 9th one-of-the-world system can do this? Message me and I'll show you a short video that explains exactly how it works and how you can get it set up literally immediately. It will blow your mind.